addition and subtractions, and on the basis of that we solved so many examples also. Yes, we solved so many examples. Okay. In the last class we solved exercise number 1.2. I told you to fill in the blanks to make the statement correct, true. So complete that one. I told you to do it by yourself. In the home you have to solve that. Okay. Only you have to make the statement true. Okay. I will solve it once. Okay. Fourth main. First statement is minus 5 plus minus 8 is equals to minus 8 plus minus 5. You have to make like this. They given a dash there na. In the dash section we have to write minus 5. This statement is true. Like this you have to solve. Okay. Yes, na, simple it is. Okay. Like this you have to solve remaining all the sums. Okay. We'll start with the multiplication of integers now. Okay. Before we start, we'll start with the short prayer now. Okay. All of you close your eyes. असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योमा अमृतं गमय ओम शांति शांति शांति. Okay, we are starting with the multiplication today. Till now we did the addition of integers, we did properties of addition and subtractions we did. Now we'll go on to the multiplication part. The multiplication part. We'll go on to the multiplication now. Multiplication of integers. Addition ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Subtraction ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, subtract. We are just minusing the numbers. But here we are doing the multiplication. Multiplication of integer. In multiplication we see the addition parts. Multiplication ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ತಾರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, just go on adding the numbers. For example, if they tell to find out the value of 2 into 5, how you will do that? You have to write 2 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Add this one. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 will be 10. 2 into 5 also 10. Yes. Multiplication means just adding the numbers. How many times they will give? Now just go on adding. It is a part of addition. The multiplication means it is a part of adding the numbers. But we are doing the different types. Okay. In the addition, what do you do? Just take the two numbers, just add it, write the answer. But in the multiplication, we multiply the number. Yes, we multiply the numbers, but in the form of addition. In the form of addition. See, here only we did 2 into 5. 2 na yes sala add madidena, 5 sala add madide. What we get? We get the answer. Same how we do the direct. We got that much only. When we expand it and use the addition, we got that much only. One more type. 5 into 2. Reverse I am doing. See, reverse. This question only reverse I am doing. Here what we do? 5 plus 5. 10. Here also we got. Yes. How many times here they will give now, that many times we have to add. Here they given 2 times, so 5 I am multiplying or adding 2 times. This is called as a multiplication of integer. This is the format of integer. Okay, integer multiplication, using the multiplication. Okay. Okay, now on the number line, how we write this on the number line. Okay, for example, they given a minus, subtraction na amele signs, different signs. When they give the different signs, okay, they will give positive also, they will give negative also. For example, if we have a minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5, okay, add these three numbers, what we get? Minus 15 we get. Yes, minus 15 we get. Yes, this is a one more time we can calculate it as a minus 15 into 3. What we get? Minus 15 we get. Yes. How the 5 yes sala jump madidena na 3 sala. In this one we can write it in the number line. On the number line. Here we have a 0. Okay. Here we have a minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, got. Here we have a minus 15 only. But what we are doing here? Just we are making it in the addition format. We are using the multiplication only, but we are doing that in the addition format. Okay, like that. One more example I will give. 2. We'll take it 2 here. 2. I'm writing here 2. 2. 2. What we get? 2 3s are how much? 6. Yes. Yes. Okay. Minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3. What is the answer? Minus 6. Okay. Now how we will do? Tell me how we will do. 1 2 3 we have to write here now. Okay. 1 2 3 we have to write. Okay. 0 ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Okay. Minus 5 minus 6. Okay. 2 jumps. Okay. From 0 to 2 jump. Again 2 jump. Again 2 jump. Okay. Number line only go and see. Okay. How many times we have to jump? 2 times we have to jump. But how many? 3 jumps. 2 numbers jump. But how many jumps we have to? 3. 1 2 and 3. This is the multiplication of integers on the number line. On the number line. Using what? Using addition. Using what? Using addition. Same way when we do with addition. Okay. When we do with the positive numbers. Negative again. Okay. We are using the positive number. We are using what? Positive number. 6 we got. Okay. This all will be plus. And this 0 will be this side. The 0 will be this side. And all the numbers will be reverse. Plus 1. Okay. And here start jumping now. Okay. Start jumping now. 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. We got what? Positive 6. That time we are doing negative 6. Okay. Reverse. Positive means we have a number line this side. Positive will be this side, negative will be that side. So it will change. Totally it will change. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. That is in your book they given a one example. See page number 12, children. Open page number 12, all of you. In that they given a using dias also we can do the calculation using dias. Okay. Using dias they given a one game there. Just read it. Okay. We'll read it once. They given a one game. Take a board marked from minus 104 to plus 104. Okay. Has shown in the figure. Okay. They given a one figure there. Okay. In your book they given a figure there. Take a bag containing 2 blue and 2 red diases. We have to take a dias. Dias anu gotta check adbekar use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ that. Number of dots on the blue indicates positive. Number of dots on a red indicates negative. Okay. On a dias use ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Every player will place his or her counter at 0. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾ 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದೊಂದು ಗೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ. What he is telling that they are telling that they take a chart numbering from 1 to 4 to 1 to 4. Positive 1 to 4, negative 1 to 4. And the number will start from 0, the middle. Negative ಅಂದ್ರೆ negative ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ, positive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ. Okay. Negative all the numbers will be come from this side. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. It continues like that only. Continue like that only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 will be down like that, up 6 7 8 9 10 11 like this. They are telling to make a chart according to your convenient, not according to our convenient. Here this side will be -1 -6 -7 minus 8, 9, 10, like this. Okay, how we did up? All the positive numbers will come up, all the negative numbers will come down. Okay, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಹಿಂಗೊಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟವ ಡೆಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ -104 to +104. ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದ 104 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗಿಂದು 104 -104. After that what they are telling, take a dias. ಆ ಡಯಾಸ್ ನಾಗ ಏನಂದಾರ 2 ಬ್ಲೂ ಇರುವಂತವ 2 ರೆಡ್ ಇರುವಂತವ. ಬ್ಲೂ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ರೆಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ನೀವು ಆ ಡಯಾಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ರೆಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹಾಕುದ, ಅವೇನ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಿದ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, after every throw the player has to multiply the number marked on the dais. They given here picture, see, this will be negative. Think that this will be the red dais, this will be the blue dais. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಡಯಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ 2 ಬಂದೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. 2 into 1 will be what? 2. This side 1 into 1 -1 into -1 ಹಂಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು. This will be the negative, this will be the positive ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್, ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಿ ಹಂಗ. If you get the blue, take a blue has a positive, red has a negative. If the product is a positive integer, then the player will move his counter towards the 104. ಅವನೇನ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನ, ಅವನೇನ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಹೋಗೋತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಗೇಮ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ದ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಹೂ ರೀಚಸ್ ಐದರ್ -104 or 104 first is the winner. ಯಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೋಗಿ 104 ಮುಟ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರ ವಿನ್ನರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ -104 ಯಾರು ಮುಟ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ 104 will be the winning point. -104 + 104 ಯಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮುಟ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ he is a winner. So what you have to do, children, you have to play this game. Okay, if you want, take 104 only. If you don't want this much number, take 50. -50 + 50. Write a 50 on the chart. Okay, make a chart like this 5 ille, -5 ille, continue like that only till 50 -50 ಮಟ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ +50 ಮಟ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಹಿಂಗೊಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೈತದ. Okay, make a like that and use a dias and play it. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. The next one is product of a 3 or more negative numbers, negative integers. Here we did only the 2 numbers multiplication we did. When we move on to the 3 number multiplication, when we have a 3 digit numbers like different. Okay, till now we did only 2. Yes, when we have a 3, how you will calculate, children? How you will calculate when we have a 3 numbers, more than 3 numbers or a 3 numbers? What we have to do, we have to make a grouping here. Okay, take a first 2 numbers and multiply by this. Make a group and multiply, or else first you can continuously multiply like this also, and you can make a group and you can calculate. Okay, first multiply these two. 3 into 2 how much? 3 2s are 6. Okay, minus into minus will be plus 6. Okay, 6 into -3 how much? 6 3s are how much? Minus, because this will be minus sign. Here minus into minus will be plus. So this minus, plus into minus will be minus. Okay, we got what we are doing here. We are using 3 numbers, multiplication of 3 negative numbers. 3 negative numbers. Okay, 3 negative numbers. Same examples they did in your textbook also. We'll do it one. Okay, the next one will be, they given a 4 digit number. See, 4 negative numbers. -4 into -3 into -2 into -1. They given a 4 numbers, negative numbers. What we have to do here? Here also we have to make a grouping. Okay, first we'll make a 3 numbers grouping. Okay, after that extra 1 number. We'll keep it aside. 1 number will be aside. Now start multiplying these 2 numbers, these 3 numbers. 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are how much, children? Then 12. Okay. 12 into minus into minus will be plus. Okay. 12 into minus 2 into minus 1. Okay. It will be minus 24 into minus 1. Minus 24 into minus 1 will be minus into minus will be again plus. So 24 ones are, we got what? Positive integer. When we are multiplying a 4 negative integer, we get positive integers. Okay. I will tell you the rule now. We have some rules for multiplication. For negative integers. Okay. It have some rules. Okay. When we are multiplying two negative integers, we get positive integer. When we are multiplying two negative integer, we get positive integer. When we multiplying three negative integers, we get negative integers. Okay. When we are multiplying four negative integers, we get again positive integers. Okay, like this only again. If we multiply 5 times negative integers, we get again negative. Hengantandra even number, odd number. Ella even numbers ignu en bartava positive bartava. Ella odd gu en bartava negative sign. Okay, the simple thing. In question only you can easily identify. If they give 3 numbers, if they give 3 numbers, then easily you can get that answer will definitely come negative only. When they give 4 numbers, then answer will definitely come positive only. Okay, because sign is a main important in this integer. If you do mistakes in signs, you will totally lose your marks. Okay, please concentrate on that. And the next part is the properties of multiplication of integers. Same like how we did in additions, addition and subtraction. Same like that we have properties in the multiplication also. We have a closure property, we have a commutative property, we have additive property, we have associative property. Yes, we have so many properties in that. Same like that, here also we have so many properties. For example, we have a closure and multiplication, we have commutative property, commutative property. Multiplication by 0 we have multiplicative identity, associative property, distributive property. This is the extra property we have in this. Okay, distributive property we have only how many? 5 properties we have. These are properties we learn it in the next class. We will tell you each and every properties in details in the next class. Okay children, till this what we did now, please revise it once in the home and please play that game. Okay, that is an interesting game. Please try to play it. If you don't want to take that much number, take little number, use dias and play it. Okay, it will be fun. Okay, try to play it and I want the result. How you did that game, how you got the fun in that, how you learned it. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Bye.